Good day all. Today I have set down a matter to be heard for tomorrow at 10:00 or as soon thereafter as the parties may be heard. The national anthem is in the High Court of South Africa. In terms of case number 19275 of 2020 in the High Court of South Africa, Western Cape Division, Cape Town. The Honourable Kusevitsky J will, in terms of Section 34 of the Constitution of the Republic of South Africa, Act 108 of 1996, resolve a dispute by the application of law decided in a fair public hearing before a court. The dispute is whether to live and struggle, attempt, strive or try for freedom in South Africa, our land, or live and enjoy freedom in the universe, our home, in the national anthem. Section 4 of the Constitution imposes an obligation that the national anthem of the Republic of South Africa is determined by the President by proclamation. Good people, only a slave live and struggles, attempt, strive or try for freedom in their land. The Bill of Rights entrenches an obligation imposed in terms of Section 13 of the Constitution that no one may be subjected to slavery, servitude, or forced labor. The state, as the first defendant in the matter, is simply called to fulfill the obligations imposed in terms of Section 7.2 of the Constitution, which provides that the state must respect, protect, promote, and fulfill the rights in the Bill of Rights. Here is the state in the matter. If you look at the defendants, if you look at the stamp, the date is today, and this is the notice of set down that has been issued. And this particular notice of set down, it is also served in accordance with the rules to all parties as obligated in the uniform rules. So, good people, it is indeed true that the national anthem is in court tomorrow. As you would see that tomorrow is indeed the 12th day of November. There is a notice of set down. This is what the court has. I will give it to you now electronically as I go through it. But understand this to be true, understand this to be real, share it with everybody, because the national anthem affects us all. The President, as the second defendant, is called to simply fulfill the obligations imposed in terms of Section 83 of the Constitution, which provides that the President is the head of the state and head of the national executive, must uphold, defend and respect the Constitution as the supreme law of the Republic, and promote the unity of the nation and that which will advance the Republic. Other defendants are also called to simply fulfill the obligations imposed by the Constitution. No problem. I am not asking for a miracle. I am simply in service and defense of my country and its people in accordance with the Constitution and the law, and with honor, dignity, courage, and integrity. I am a man of God. Father Tunyiko Mangolele and Aluta Songelwa, whose best interests are of paramount importance in every matter concerning them or any other child. South Africa, from the blue of our skies, from the depths of our seas, over our everlasting mountains, where the echoing cracks resound, sound the call to come together, and united we shall stand. Let us live and enjoy freedom in the universe, our home. God bless Africa. May her glory be lifted high. Hear our prayers. God bless us, your children. God, we ask you to protect our nation. Intervene and end all conflicts. Protect us. Protect our nation. Protect South Africa. Papa Udeng. It is indeed true that I am here. It is indeed true that I am a father who vehemently disagrees to teach his children to say to God that they want to live and struggle for freedom in South Africa, our land. I refuse to teach my children for them to say in national prayer that they want to live and attempt for freedom in South Africa, our land. Ke a gana go ruta bana baka gore ba re modimo gore bona ba batla go tshela ba sokolele tokologo mo Afrika Borwa. Ga ke batle dilo tse dintsi. Ga ke batle go ruta bana tikologo e sa siamang. We all have responsibilities to all our children. We all must teach our children. We all have the responsibility and the duty to ensure that our children are taken care of. It is our job. I ask all people to understand the reality that we must all say to our children and their children's children from today that we want to live and enjoy. We don't want to live and struggle for freedom. We shall live and enjoy freedom in the universe, our home. It is not a difficult thing. God is good all the time. You ask God that you want a banana, God will give you a banana. You ask God that you want to struggle, God will give you struggle. You ask God that you want to try, God will allow you to try but not do. You ask God that you want to endeavor to go all out for freedom, to strive for freedom in South Africa, our land. God will allow you to do that. I say to all, enough with struggling for freedom in our own land. While the Constitution is indeed the supreme law of our republic, law or conduct inconsistent with the Constitution is invalid to the extent of its invalidity. And the obligations imposed by the Constitution must be fulfilled in all spheres of government, organs of state, both local and private. You will understand it to be true that all of us will stand united and say to God, let us live and enjoy freedom in the universe, our home. I thank you all.